Hello YouTube. Today on this episode I'm going to show you how to make red beans and rice in the backcountry. So stick with me as I make this delicious meal. Alright, first we're going to start with some Louisiana Andouille sausage. Alright, after you get that all caught up, go ahead and fire up the stove and get them warmed up. So I did add a little bit of water to that. Helps it boil up. Since these stoves heat so direct, I didn't want to burn the sausages. So we'll get that warmed up, and then we'll also use that andouille juice for our rice to moisten that up. We'll bring it back when this is done. So as we wait for our sausage to warm up here, I've got some Uncle Ben's red beans and rice. We'll get this prepared and ready. That's enough serving for two. It's just me out here. But I think that'll be plenty once I add that sausage to it. Look at that sausage cooking with them juices. That'll be awesome with that rice. Now we'll combine the sausage, the rice, and get it warmed through, and we'll have dinner ready. Who says you can't eat good while you're on the trail? Gotta make sure you keep stirring this. These stoves heat so indirectly, or so directly I mean, that you'll burn your rice right to the bottom of the pan. Alright folks, our red beans and rice is done. Look at that. We're going to call that done. I'm going to give it a quick little stir and cover it up, let it cool off for just a little bit. I'll bring it back in just a second. Folks, I wish you could smell this. This red beans and rice smells amazing, let me tell you. So don't let anybody tell you you can't have delicious food while you're out on the trail. You don't have to do those dehydrated meals. Now, I do understand that I'm only on a day hike, doing a solo overnighter, but bring this sausage in frozen, cook it the first night. At least you're eating good the first night. Alright, thank you for tuning in today. I'm going to go ahead and eat this. And if you like what you see, go ahead and like and subscribe, share, comment down below. Let me know if you've cooked something like this out on the trail. Have a wonderful evening.